Now I will show you how to create overtime record and payroll statement. Okay, let's start. First, we'll put the name, employee number, and we will put, first I need to adjust the width. I will make it 3. I will adjust it. Then I will put a date. So let's start with 16 because every 15th of the month. So I'll just put 16, then press Ctrl, then drag to the right up to 31. Then I will put 1 and hold Ctrl, then drag to the right also until 15. So this is our date for the month of March 16 until April 15. So now I will put here total hours. And here I will put absent. I will put header Kamayo company, and I will insert 2 rows. Just highlight these 2. If you need 3, if you will insert 3, highlight 3. Now I need just 2, then hold Ctrl and press plus. Now I have additional 2 rows. Again I will remove another. Then I will put this one overtime record. I will put also for the earning of March 16, 2020 until April 15. This is only an optional. It depends upon on your cut-off. So this is our date. Now I will put a dummy name, employee number. So I just put this one, then hold Ctrl and drag it down. So we have our employee number incrementally. So now we have complete overtime record form. So here we will put all the hours, overtime hours here. So let's say we'll put 4 here, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 3. I will put here A means absent. I will make it center. I will put 4 again. I just copy this one. Make it fast, and I will put absent 4 and 2. Then I will copy this one. This will be just to make it fast again. Then I will modify the absent example here. So I will put also another absent here. So this letter A emphasize the absent here. And this is 4 hours. So it depends upon in your policy. Okay. So we have a complete data. Now we will make a total for this one. We'll use our sum function. Then select this range and hit enter. So now we have 98 hours and copy by dragging it down. So we have 98, so we'll put absent here in order to make it different. So 94 here also I will put another absent, and this one is 91. I will put here I will put 2 1. So now we have I will put another 2. So this is our data. This is 98 hours overtime by Ray and Juliet also 94. So this is their total hours overtime. Now we'll calculate the absent, how many days of absent for this period, March 16 up to April. So we will use statistical function in order to count the order absences. So we'll use the CountIF, this one. We'll use CountIF. Then we will select this range again until here, and we'll make comma, and now we will put the criteria here. So as what we discussed before, this letter A emphasize the absent. So this is our criteria. I will put A and double quote because we are dealing with the alphabetical character. That's why we need to put double quote before and after our criteria. So now we will close, then hit enter. So we have 4 absences, 4 days absences. This one, letter A, this is his absent, and also this one. So if we will copy this one, drag it down, so this one is 5 because why? Here 3, and also here 1 and another 1. That's why, and so on. This is the total overtime for this period, and this is the total days of absence. So this is our overtime record. Now we will proceed with a summary or payroll statement. First, I need to make this one overtime, to change or rename overtime. And also again I need to add some row here because I show you some important. First, before we'll make a summary or payroll statement rather, payroll statement. Now we will make a name for this table. How? First, go to our ribbon, then formulas tab, then define name. So we need to define this table particular name. So we'll put overtime. then okay. So now we'll go to the summary. First, again, we'll put name and employee number. By this time, we don't need to type and type again. So what will we do? Just only press equal and go to our overtime sheet here and select this one and hit enter. So just drag it down. Now we have names here. So if I put again, if you can see here there is a 0, it's showing that we have reference here. So if I type 1, automatically also here update 1. So as of now, we'll focus on this employee.